Smart. Ronaldo, they need the power of the team, but some of us will advise ourselves. We'll take you to court. Look, it's high time I say cited Smart for contempt of court. Any media general for what did I say? Yes, cited Smart for contempt. Then the media general board members and British Ajimamono Ekahua. Now what said the entire case pending with court.
Obi edu okaso oto ebo no ebo amango no noti oto aba ebo amango noti one say captain Smart you obi a awurade ehira no wakasem awurade ehira no ewo na dwumadiem eti wo dwuma ne nkoso a wo se media man ni journalist no wo baba ya betake captain Smart na wo jaya sojafo na ekotutuo no wo beja abo ebi se wiase omama bia ho hi na de wo din ne yebo
na brabo no obo no say that you owu a oda ho a nyuma ebedi ne chi no nyuma ateni de bedi de chi intro bedi de chi beisam bedi ne chi when I say yemu ade na bedi ne chi when I say gandam na bedi ne chi na gandam pe o efe so no krono ene epobo ya be bedi Captain Smart de chi no.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mawaka baba expose GH pacho baby a obi amdi nchia kese enema o. The name usual is Bruce. Pacho subscribe ma mele tumpa na won saka bi. Captain Smart sama na ka na nipa ba ko a o ka na wiase bubu. Ai lawyer ampa ai na no ya foke. Mi hu lawyer na no ya seseza. What say on obesiu Captain Smart? What say it's high time obi besiu Captain Smart on obesiu no. Ekwoti mra.
Captain Smart. Ronaldo need the power of the jail. But some of us will advise ourselves. We'll take you to court. Look, it's high time I say cited Captain Smart for contempt of court. Any media general for. What did I say? Yes, cited Captain Smart for contempt. Then the media general board members and British Ajimamono Ekahua. Now what said the entire case pending with court. Nye di asem. Now what threaten say president no indirectly no the judiciary obi judge people on jail. Na Captain Smart die ne ho mmobo na brabo no obo no em said that you owu a oda ho a nyuma ebedi ne chi no nyuma ateni de bedi de chi intro bedi de chi beisam bedi ne chi when I say yemu ade ne bedi ne chi when I say gandam ne bedi ne chi enya gandam pe o efe so no krono ene epobo nyama be di Captain Smart de chi no nyama be di de chi no esa say nyama Captain Smart ye nia nyama Captain Smart e akizu amafo nia no ye bi ni kasa okra no erata motos politicians omoto ma nia no o di asa no politicians dabra moto man no evidence ayewo ewo homo no Nema Captain Smart accuse obiara no or accuse of corruption or corrupt or accuse obi of a man or so obi the obada or no so the mother or accuse obi of when they say nepotism oh yeah everything that Captain Smart talks about now adiba ko yemi ya ne ba ko bia na onwoni President Nado say Nado ye bema onjeli galamsey for bakope na Nado ye bema onjeli galamsey for bakope na ko behu Captain Smart Nado need the power of the jail but some of us will advise ourselves
I lawyer ampa nkasa lawyer for de woni omo yi asema siu de wo me patcho ye obi be for defamation and slander say asema wonni ma obeka wafom mra eno na lawyer ampa we ka no nti ase a obetimi asu Captain Smart if or enough evidence to back in ba say ni obi ka tem say anonso wo bia wo ntokro woni mo say lawyer ampa kra wo kra wo kasar kra ye so say de bomb akra bi ni so bomb afoke ba no de anya crime o ba ma de say bomb ma enye normal ma bono enye we bia ba wonim say ukro bi ho asam na ebetu ya chi watu ani to no ka say Captain Smart ensem na waka na edoso waka kan sem enne say o kira say oye ne ba wonim bi de bia me ka say ya no ye hwe ne yi ye wo kwan se be kasa oba kasa ni wa uka e kira sem e de beba no ugina no a untimi eno na ye nyina ye bokoko sabe obi antan Captain Smart or ye fine journalist se no na he te se ne ye bo no so no e ko ni 3 months say wo ye ni amasem me de me say just one we pen na ba mistake na ba now so mistake ni ba ye no enye we but nipa ba ko so ono so defend Captain Smart kum chacha ai we de ni ono video awaya say me mmoma no wase wono de woni Captain Smart o meko wo mawu yen ko any video no ya ba ya be kasa
obi edu wo peso oto ebo no ebo amango no note oto aba ebo amango note once Captain Smart you obi a awurade ehira no wakasem awurade ehira no ewo na adwumadiem eti wo dwuma ne nkoso a wo se media man ni journalist no wo beba ya betake Captain Smart na wo jaya sojafo na ekotutuo no wo beja won ebi se wi ase o mama bia ho hi ana de wo din yebo eti wo media man no wo beba betake Captain ebi se wo konna ni mo chen ma wo se mi nu bia aye friend Wurami se Wurami abeye video bi Wurami no wa Accra FM yan kwache Captain Smart yan kwache no kwana kwache no kwanda kwache no brother that what you want to mean kwache no say you were citizen arrest kwanda kwache no wo se Wurami we wo ye nyatun papa wo ye nyatun wo media ne so once a man be a donko tabo wo ye no Obama wrong information. Say Wurami Obama wrong information. Ewo UTV. Eno di obi amechiwo. Once eno di obi amechiwo amekan ho asem. Wrong information. And I would buy. That's in the BI amekan. Romans chapter 3 verse 23. Bible say, ye nyina ya bone. Na onyankopon wanu monyama boyen ana Isaiah chapter 64 verse 6 wase ya detre ne kura te so onyame ye mu ntomago han na nya bone da ha awuram yo wa begira wa yele wo te so obi anu obi kobo boxing ayeyele yankwachi Captain Smart yankwachi no Obama information for Kuya don't come one year wrong information. Obi Bachew. That's one minimum captain. And I mean Romeo and I minimum captain. Wunimuno. Ah, Samoa Bano. Cabe for phone. Now what frano? No what's here on the side of the story. Now what's low? Cow made our open trending. We here trend. Some media for we no more. Munyina ye ne munyina modwuma amuyo na musole a ena captain ena okọ office to office ena okọ ha no akwaji ska okọ a sa media fo ya mokase nyina sofu kum chacha me se ye nyina me se mihia mu baabi bebre sa media fo bi ye media fo yi mu bebre me mihia mu baabi bebre won se mihia mu a e won krofo office ana misiamo ewo mpanifo bi nchen a na mo nante ya change na asesa because mo gi infra pona ya na mo di hye mo bottom kora mo fele won se misiamo bebre but mo di ya de mo nkanya atonfo nyaton eti Captain Smart na mo se ye nkwache no nya den aye ni opinion and what bachelor ye a chum de dada a chum it is a Ghana for I will bring my yebebrim will be any charge I ever charge will be ya charge ya soldier for no any commander na one Emma said name call an a quine Emma won't shoot to yano one necessary Ghana for I can want some. Na munya Captain Smart ni ade obana be kire wadwen pe he wakwaji ska ediwe so makwaji ska o captain wo memetu wono he sofo bi asamba na mbeka bi he wakwaji ska me pe sofo ba ko a wo Ghana ha wo betumi aba abonten se me sofo kum chacha boso me so a na woche so a o ma me 1 cedi. I need 1 pastor. Mama nya me space ni ye na space no aje furu me nsama tofom eti ama elusu kakra me pe 1 holy pastor awo betumi aba public abeka se me na woche me no ya wo ma me 1 cedi asem ba me chere madwen beti wono me nya hia ni o what you say na ya won hwentade ye hyeme na won hwede ye hyewukun ya won hwentade ye hyeme ne de ye hyewukun a wo beka sa ati ya me ya won hwe wo kyese ebo me ene me dressing na hyewukun a wo beka sa ati ya me ati what you say na ya won hwentade ye hyeme na won hwede ye hyewukun ya won hwentade ye hyeme ne de ye hyewukun a wo beka sa ati ya me ya won hwe wo kyese ebo me ene me dressing na hyewukun a wo beka sa ati ya me ati yenya captain smart captain onye hwe o kire na gen etwem eye pass eni bra ene nkrofo bi de tan captain kwa eni bra ene on de tan no ti etwem yenya no ye wo bra mu bia soja fo na ekotutuo no ye mrem wo midin de osofu kum chacha midin ano no osofu kum chacha wo dom ye nyame no wo tam ye nyame ntan me da ase bye bye.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.